In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify and Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by opening the Shopify App Store and searching for the app named Shopify for Zendesk. Take a moment to verify that the publisher matches Shopify or a trusted partner and read a few of the recent reviews to make sure the app is well maintained. This helps avoid compatibility surprises and ensures the version you install supports the features you need. When you find the app, click the button labeled Add App or Install. Shopify will prompt you to select which storefront you want to connect if you manage more than one. Choose the appropriate store and confirm the installation. The process is usually quick, but if you see any requests for permissions, review them carefully. The app needs access to order and customer information to show relevant details inside Zendesk, so granting those permissions is necessary for a smooth integration. After the Shopify app installs, you'll be redirected to Zendesk to complete the connection. Here you'll enter your Zendesk subdomain and give the integration a name. Use a clear name that makes it obvious which Shopify store is connected, especially if you manage multiple integrations. Authorize the connection when prompted, and Zendesk will create the link that allows order and customer data to appear alongside support tickets. Next, open the Zendesk Admin Center to configure settings for how the integration behaves. Enable the sidebar app so agents can view Shopify orders, customer history, and product information directly from tickets or chat sessions. If you want customers to be able to chat live from your storefront, enable the web widget and customize where and how it appears on your site. You can also adjust visibility and permissions, so only certain agent roles see specific Shopify data. A few practical tips. After enabling features, test the setup by creating a sample ticket and verifying that order details show up in the sidebar. Customize the web widget's appearance to match your brand and decide if you want it on every page or only on select pages like product and checkout support. If something doesn't show up, clear your browser cache and confirm both the Shopify app and Zendesk are on compatible versions. Finally, keep an eye on app updates and changelogs so you don't miss improvements or required actions. Following these steps will connect your Shopify storefront to Zendesk and give your support team the context they need to resolve issues faster and provide better customer service.